Purple Line extension is a metro project of a twin tunnel subway stretching across Midtown Los Angeles. The roller is supporting the civil restoration crew, which is building new sidewalks, intersections, bus pads, and pedestrian access areas.
I like that it's quiet. I like that it's smooth. I like how this particular roller has controls on both the left and right-hand side.
The crews have given me feedback that the machine hits harder than the diesel machine. We've seen electrification of smaller tools over the past few years, and now we're starting to see it in the heavy equipment market, and it makes it easier for the crews to do their job.
The charging isn't a big deal. We can usually use the roller for about a week if we're really busy with it, and then we just bring it into the yard, plug it in, and the next morning it's ready to go again. We had two rollers, the electric roller and a diesel roller, and we were given the choice which one we wanted to keep and which one to give away, and we opted to keep the electric roller.
For the city of Los Angeles, it's innovative technology. I'm excited about it. I've been waiting a long time. Cleaner skies, less pollution. I think it's something that we all strive for as a community.